In this movie, I want to show you the way you can help yourself. A lot of people take the time to learn the help system that is built in Windows XP. Some guys get it wrong and have questions and create a panic. To turn your computer off and walk away. Don't do that. Windows XP has an amazing help system built right in. That's what I want to show you and how to use it in this movie. There are a couple of ways you can get help within Windows XP, and expanding the movie part when you are using individual programs. Now if I right click the taskbar and I go to the properties of the taskbar, some windows in the dialog box in Windows XP will open. They have little question marks and I have the help icon in the upper right corner. This is the way you can help very quickly. So if you look in the dialog box or window, what does it mean by auto hide of the taskbar? Well, don't open a 3,000 page reference book or just watch my videos. Click on the question mark. So when you do that, the question mark will reveal what exactly those buttons do. So in this case, it's hide the taskbar. You can help redisplay, or you can keep the taskbar on top of other videos, etc., etc. Back in your area, as you come over things and you click on them, a little box will appear describing what you click. So I click on locks the taskbar. This feature locks the bar at current position. Click again and it'll go away. Let's find out another feature. Click on the question mark again and find out the auto hide the taskbar. Another help position. Up click again and make it go away. Come down to the start button and choose help and support. This is the help and support center, which gives a lot of information, and I show you how to use it. It's a really powerful feature of Windows XP. So let's talk about the different sections, okay? Here at the top, pick a help topic on the left hand side of the screen. There's some organized area which has topics which can be seen as there is what's new in Windows XP, music, video games, networking and the web, system administration, accessibility, printing and faxing, and lastly hardware, and send your feedback to Microsoft. You can also ask for assistance, that is on the right hand side. Networking and internet working with this can help the operating system remotely, so on and so forth. So if you have a problem, just pretend that's setting up the fax and setting up the printer. Now if we click on the printing and faxing section like that, when you do that, you can see that on the left hand side there are different topics about printing and faxing. When you click on plus sign, there are subtopics. When you see on the dot, you can click on the link that there are tasks on the right hand side, so you can pick them. So if you want to learn that's how the printer is connected directly to the computer, and connect to like that. My printer supports plug and play, so on and so forth. It depends what kind of operating system you have there. So if you go back to the top, there's a home. This will take you back to the main page. The help and support center can help you choose any topic from here according to your requirement or the information you need. There's another link that invites your friends to connect to with remote assistance. You can also support the news script. Click on it if you want. Again, it gives you the same type of interface. You can ask a friend, help Microsoft, etc. When we go to the website forum, click on that. There's a link to go to Windows Newsgroup. Click on it. This takes us to the Microsoft website. As you can see, we can just maximize it right now. This will give you access to something known as newsgroups. People send messages here and get replies from here. They are broken into all different kinds of messengers. So if you want to help about your passport ID, which is working with Windows Messenger, here see people send messages, etc. This is very, very powerful to help your messenger. Go to the main page. You have additional items down here. The one that I particularly like here at the bottom, use tools to view your computer information and diagnose problems. When you click on this, you have access to something called the advanced system information. When I click on this link, you have advanced system information right here. And this link at the top, view detail system, and there's view running services. You can click on that right now though. Windows Open System Information. This little window contains a lot of information and contains the item names, types, and their values. It also gives you the different types of sources we have. So the hardware resources, the components, software environment, the internet settings, and the 2003 applications. Everything in your CPU memory that is installed here is also given, so it is very helpful. There are different categories, and such it becomes a really powerful feature. There are also other kind of tasks. Now we see how the search function works. You can type the passport ID information to go to search. Now you can see there's a lot of information here on the left hand side. We can change the view, or you can print any specific article. This is the overview of the help system. That is a very powerful feature in Windows XP.